Now, Salarino, when he finds no reason for Antonio's sadness, then he tells him that Antonio, you are sad because you are in love. Antonio says, nonsense. Shame on you. Now Salarino says, oh, Antonio, you are not in love also. Then let us all tell that you are sad because you are not happy. Children, here the word merry means happy. And then Salarino also advises Antonio that it is easy for you, Antonio, that you laugh and jump and say that you are merry. Why? Because you are not sad. And then Salarino speaks saying the promise of the god two-headed Janus. Here you have to understand, children. Janus was the Roman god of gates and doors. He was always placed above the doorways with his one head looking inwards and the other head looking outwards. And one head was a frowning face and the other one a happy face. By taking or rather giving the example of Janus, Salarino wants to tell that nature hath framed means created, strange people, fellows means people. Nature has created strange people in her time. Some, some people are such that they will laugh at anything, just like a parrot which laughs even when they hear the song of the bagpiper. And some other people are of such sour character that they will not even smile, even if Nestor promises or swears that the joke was funny. Now, children, we have to understand who is this Nestor. Nestor was an old and wise Greek general who fought in the Trojan War, and he was a very serious fellow, and if he laughed, then people thought that yes, this joke was to be laughed at. So here Salarino means that some people laugh at anything and everything, and some others are such that they will not even laugh at the jokes on which Nestor too laughed. Now, Salanio says that here comes Bassanio. Bassanio, children, is the best friend of Antonio. So, at that moment, Bassanio is entering the scene and Salanio is telling Antonio that Bassanio, your most noble friend, Graciano and Lorenzo, all the three are coming. Among these, Antonio is very close to Bassanio. So Salanio says, fare ye well, goodbye Antonio. We leave you now. We are leaving you now. Why? Because you will be having better company. Better company of whom? Bassanio, Graciano and Lorenzo. Salarino now says that I would have stayed. He would have waited till he had made Antonio happy if worthier, more noble friends had not prevented him to do so by arriving at that time. He wants to say that only because Bassanio and the others had arrived, he was leaving Antonio in their company. Now Antonio replies, your worth is very dear in my regard, means Salario and Salarino, you two are very dear to me. I take it, I understand it in this way. Your own business calls on you. You have some other important work to do, and you embrace the occasion. Embrace the occasion means you are taking this opportunity to depart, to leave. So, children, we are seeing that now Salanio and Salarino are leaving Antonio, and he will be accompanied now with Bassanio, Lorenzo and Bresciano.